Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I am Satoshi Sean. Glad you're here. Glad to be hanging out with you. If it's your first time here, please hit the subscribe button and the bell for notifications. I try to get out as much content as possible every week, whether that shows like the Crypto Lunch Break, Crypto Meme Review. I do streams. I've been doing a lot more streams on Twitch and Kick and on my Twitter, which is down below. A lot of like crypto, just gaming and stuff. But if you subscribe, you can always catch me. But reviews like I'm doing today, interviews, news, just tons of stuff. I try to be entertaining and informative. And if not always super informative, at least entertaining. Also, leave a comment. If you leave a comment, you're registered to win some crypto. Give away crypto every Crypto Meme Review, Crypto Rednecks. All you have to do to be registered to win is leave a comment on any video since the last giveaway and be subscribed. And then I choose a random comment picker. And if I pick your comment, you won. Today, I'm going to be doing a review going over a interesting project called Thesaurum. Let me fix this so you can see the screen better than my big head. So a buddy of mine asked me to take a look at the project. He's on the team, just being transparent. He's a smart guy, friend of mine. I've known him for years. He is usually, when he signs on with a project, it's pretty cool. And I usually do really like it and am interested in it. This one is definitely not disappointing me. So Thesaurum, they have a quick video I'm going to play, just a little 1 minute explainer, but it's a company that's been around and been in the business that it's in, is the diamond business. They have a good reputation. They have a good business model. What they're doing is they're taking it to the next level, of their industry, of the diamond industry, to the next level, in taking it on to putting it on blockchain and bringing in a utility token, which that's what's kind of cool and interesting. It's in RWAs is what they're tokenizing real world assets, which, that's the biggest thing that's coming. I think it's going to be like an $11 trillion industry in the next few years. And to tokenize real world assets like diamonds, which is already one of the biggest real world assets, as far as like hedge against inflation and where to park your money when the world is going crazy. It's always been, something that people have always looked to as far as that when it comes to volatility and hard times like precious metals. And as far as gemstones go, it's the king, the creme de la creme. So I like what they're doing. I like, we'll hit on some of the cool things that they're doing. I like that they are putting a focus on education. One of the biggest things they're doing is what crypto has done in general, is to kind of bring finance back to the people, money back to the people, power back to the retail investor. So they're lowering the bar in tokenizing real world assets to where there's fractional investing. If you're a regular Joe, you may not be able to invest in $50,000 diamonds, but you can invest in pieces of different $50,000 diamonds because it's fractional investing. A lot of cool stuff just with real world assets and tokenization, which is something you should look into. Also, you should always do your own research. I'm not your financial advisor, not your dad. So always look into everything. Do your due diligence. But, I think this is something that you should look at. I'm going to go give like a basic overview. They do have a pre-sale coming up, like an ICO, which you can sign up for, but we'll hit all that. They have a very in-depth white paper and a good one-pager. We're going to go over that. But here's the intro video.
Introducing Thesaurum, the future of diamond investing, powered by blockchain. Diamonds are among the most highly appreciating assets today, but investing in them has been difficult for smaller investors. Until now. Thesaurum, relying on its years of experience, is transforming the diamond industry with its blockchain-based marketplace, offering secure, transparent, and liquid investments. Invest, hold, or resell up to 6 times a year with potential returns of 50% per sale, all within our trusted ecosystem. Our TDTT token enables seamless transactions, exclusive discounts on diamond acquisitions, and secure storage. 100% backed by real diamonds, the token gives access to a variety of rewards and value generation possibilities. Don't miss out. Become an early adopter now and benefit from the pre-sale bonus.
All right. I think the pre-sale starts in like 6 weeks, around there. You get a 30% bonus, which is cool. So the Thesaurum Diamond Trading Token, it's a mouthful. It's even the ticker is a mouthful. TDTT. It would be fun to say that fast. So it's established a financially and environmentally sustainable business model, which, like I said, they already have a proven business model, and this company does. They relies on both mining of diamonds through their mine in, it's here, Liberia. So they have a diamond mine. Ethical diamond mine, once another thing. Their consecutive refinement and sale, as well as diamond flipping, which is the acquisition of diamonds from third parties and then reselling. So they want to, number one, I'll hit it in here somewhere, but they're setting up like a, here it is. The Thesaurum also introduces the Diamond Academy, an incentive-based program for learning programs and informational resources to provide access to everything diamond investors and fans have to know about precious stones, from their history, physical properties, and their role as an asset class. So they're not only opening it up to more retail investors, but they're educating them as well, so you know more. So they really are creating an ecosystem for people to come into and to utilize. That's cool. Also, so they're going to have a marketplace for you to buy, sell. They have physical storage, insured storage, all on the blockchain, all transparent and trackable. But they have cut diamonds as well as rough diamonds. So there's different aspects if you want to invest in different, the different sides of the industry there. I'll tell you, one of my buddies he was a jeweler, and he would always tell me that there's a lot of money made in diamonds. So diamond trading, they're going to set up the marketplace, require both rough and polished from Thesaurum at competitive prices. You can also request Thesaurum to resell the diamonds as an intermediary for a higher price, which is one of the things also that they're trying to fix, is that, especially when it comes to diamonds, but we've seen it just basically with investing, it's really been just a small group of people, just elites. And when it comes to diamonds, it's even smaller. It's even more elite. So it's not just lowering the barrier and bringing more people in, but you have to bring liquidity, because it didn't need to be that much liquidity because it was such a small group of people making, it's a clique, it's a little club of these people that are doing it. So they're bringing liquidity into that, as well as the contacts and being able to move the diamonds. Diamond investors can also request their diamonds stored by a trustee, as well as shipped to them securely. A trustee will publish regular audits of the current storage. Like I said, that's, transparency and insured. But the smart contract has been audited. I went through the audit. It's very in depth. Speaking of in depth, their white paper is 60 or 55 pages long. There'll be links below to all this stuff, but you can check it out. One pager, kind of go over most of the stuff I'm going over. Investment security through collateral. Thesaurum, it is tough to say. Thesaurum dedicates 20% of all funds collected on the ICO to the acquisition of high-quality diamonds, the use of high-demand investment-grade diamonds as collateral, ensure that the assets can be liquidated quickly if required. Their loyalty program rewards active, engaged users with exclusive benefits, creating a value-driven ecosystem. By participating in the program, you can unlock deals, free reductions, and periodic token drops to enhance overall experience. This is the Diamond Academy thing. They introduced the first Diamond Academy that will be integrated within the Thesaurum digital platform alongside all the other functionalities. Like I said, a lot of stuff on the, everything from the history to the real use cases of diamonds. So the token sale, 16 million and 16.5 million total supply. They're going to have 11.5 up for sale. Token price is going to be €1. It's a BEP20. There's the information. You can sign up from the ICO there. Like I said, links below to everything. They have the token distribution, the funds distribution, 30% acquisition of diamonds, 20% to development, 20% to collateral, 15% to marketing. It's not bad. 10% operations, 5% partner. Roadmap, what are we at? March 25. The white paper has been released. The ICO company incorporated, tech development, smart contract audit. Showed you that. Sourcing a list of potential and private investors, VCs, family investment offices, which are just super elites and VCs. In April, start approaching private investor companies, started community building and marketing. They have built, I think they have 300 and change followers on Twitter. There's links below to all of their socials as well. So May, started the private sale, started the diamond acquisition with their collected funds. These are going to start buying the diamonds right away, including their, as well as the Liberian mine. Storage is collateral. Started the technical development of the ecosystem. And then this is what we're looking at coming up is July is the start of the pre-sale that everyone else can get into. And then September is the main sale. November, they're closing out the main sale. And then Q1 listing on exchanges. Pretty quick. Team you can check out. Looks pretty solid. There's my buddy Dimitri. Like I said, he is on the team. That's it. It's innovative, but it's fairly simple, and they already have been basically doing this. They're a company. They have a proven track record, a proven business model. They're just taking it to the next phase technologically to put it on the blockchain, which is, for more transparency, more trackability, and putting the crypto in, tokenizing the real world assets, breaking down the barriers to let more people in. It's kind of cool. And then educating. Like I said, the educating thing is you can see they're looking at it more long term, like this is the way the future is going to be of investing in diamonds. I really went over all this. Diamond marketplace. On the marketplace, users will be able to purchase rough or polished diamonds directly from Thesaurum, and the diamonds can then be either delivered to their owners at their request or submitted for resale by Thesaurum to generate ROI for their owners. Loyalty programs, Academy went over. It's not like a crazy ton of stuff. It's just a cool idea, and it's taking this industry to, in my opinion, the next level. So check it out, Thesaurum. Like I said, I'll have links below to all of their stuff. Make sure I hit everything. So website X link. Yeah, I got links for everything. They even have an Instagram. So make sure you leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Head over and check out their socials. Remember to leave a comment so that you are registered to win yourself some crypto. I am Satoshi Sean. It was good hanging out with you guys. I'll see y'all in the next video.